On today's episode, Tesla stock is one of the most popular stocks to trade in the stock market. So let's take a look at what the price action is telling us. Hey, what's up, my friends? It's me here. So Tesla stock has been very popular for retail traders, and it makes sense because it moves a lot, and there's a lot of volatility. If you can catch that volatility, you could make some big profits. However, it also goes the other way. And if you get caught in the wrong position, you could lose a lot of money too. So let's take a look at Tesla's chart and see what it's telling us about the current state of the price action. So right now, we are in an uptrend. We had a pullback here, but overall, the stock is moving upwards. The reason why we know this is a valid uptrend is because we have higher highs and higher lows. So this low point here is higher than this low point, and then this high point is higher than this high point. That's how you determine an uptrend. And then, conversely, when prices start making lower highs and lower lows, that's how you determine a downtrend. So because we have higher highs and higher lows, we are in an uptrend. Now, what's interesting about this uptrend is that we're in a channel right now, and this is a symmetrical triangle. Now, just so you guys know, with symmetrical triangles, oftentimes the stock will break right through it. It doesn't always have to break the triangle. It could break the resistance, continue going upwards, but either way, we've been bouncing off of this triangle here. This is acting as resistance, and then on the lower end we have this support line. So we've been bouncing between these two lines, kind of just moving sideways right here. Now, I know a lot of you guys probably saw this huge jump here, and yes, this is an exponential move. However, I want you guys to understand that price jumps like this, they don't happen very often. You don't want to be chasing returns in the stock market. You can't chase returns. If you try to chase returns, you'll get hurt. So you don't want to be chasing this huge jump here. Now, the best thing about trading stocks is that you can actually paper trade it. So if you're not ready to put real money into the stock market, you can at least practice your trading skills by paper trading. In fact, I recommend that you do that. Most trading platforms allow you to do this. So use that to your advantage. Practice your trading skills. Learn from your mistakes without risking any capital. Right now, the stock is at a critical point because we are at the top of this range. We've hit resistance. The question now becomes, does it break the resistance and continue going up, or does it break the support and go downwards? Well, to me, this is a good buying opportunity. I would buy the stock right here. If I didn't own shares already, this would be a great buying opportunity because we are at the top of the range. We've hit resistance, but we're still in an uptrend. And this is where oftentimes people will be fearful, because the stock is at a critical point. It's at the top of the range. It's hit resistance.